Hello everyone, so I am Dia Bansal. I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I am going to explain you what is respiration and also its two types, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So first I'm going to tell you what is respiration. So basically, respiration is releasing out energy and how that energy is released when we eat food. That food is broken down with the help of oxygen. So when that food in the form of glucose is broken down with the help of oxygen, so that process is known as respiration. And in simple words, we can say that the taking in oxygen and excreting out carbon dioxide is known as respiration. And it is done so that our body can get rid of carbon dioxide and excrete it out from the body as a waste product. And also it is done to provide oxygen to our body cells in adequate rate and satisfy its need. So I hope you have understood what is respiration. Now I am going to explain you what is aerobic respiration. So in aerobic respiration, aerobic means in the presence of oxygen. So from here only we can able to understand that aerobic respiration is done in the presence of oxygen. Means it cannot occur. It cannot be done without oxygen. Oxygen is necessary in this. And what is done in this? The food molecules comprising of carbon particles, hydrogen and oxygen atoms are there in the food molecules, and that food molecules combine with oxygen, and after combining with oxygen they are broken down into carbon dioxide and water. So basically that carbon particles and hydrogen that are there in the food molecules, after combining with oxygen they are converted into the carbon dioxide and water, and this is done to produce energy. So this is what aerobic respiration is, and it is done in all the living organisms. Aerobic respiration is there, and complete oxidation of food, complete addition of food is there during the process. So this is aerobic respiration. I hope you understood aerobic respiration. So now I am going to explain you what is anaerobic respiration, the second type of respiration. So now, what is anaerobic respiration? Anaerobic means in the absence of oxygen, means when there is no oxygen. So anaerobic respiration is done without oxygen. There is no oxygen in this. So in this process, energy is released by the breaking down of food. But that breaking down of food is done chemically, and the reaction occurs. They did not use oxygen. In the reactions, there is no oxygen. The breaking down of food is done chemically. And though carbon dioxide is being produced, but oxygen is not being produced in this anaerobic respiration. So one good example I am going to give you to understand anaerobic respiration. So that example is, sometimes we think that from today we are going to start jogging, walking and exercise. And for the first day we are doing jogging also, walking and heavy exercise. At that time when we are doing that, we will not feel any type of pain. But at the time of our bed, at the night, we will start feel pain like cramps in our muscle cells. And that is done because the supply of oxygen in our muscle cells is very limited. So aerobic respiration will not occur, anaerobic respiration will occur. Food will break down in the form of glucose, and when the food will break down, the lactic acid will be produced. The lactic acid will be produced, and due to that accumulation of lactic acid, cramps occurs. Means that accumulation of lactic acid produces cramps and fatigue in our muscle cells. So just to prevent that, we can do hot oil massage or hot water bath. This hot water bath or hot oil massage can continue the blood circulation, and there will be a good supply of oxygen to our muscle cells. So that supply of oxygen can break down lactic acid that has been formed into carbon dioxide and water. So there will be a good supply of oxygen to our muscle cells. So this video ends, and I hope you have understood respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration very clearly. So thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Diya Bansal. Thank you.